Alright, so viewers, here we have this 1983 Hunter Original with the ornate grape leaf brass faceplate. Not sure, but I was pretty sure that the 83s were 2-speed. I could be wrong. Maybe they were 3-speed. I don't remember. I don't recall. It was somewhere around there when they changed from 2-speed to 3-speed. So this one's 3-speed. This is the first bracket. Mounting arm was not present. Canopy's not present. Right now I have this hooked up with a industrial mounting onto the down rod. Really fancy. The canopy, actually no, I take back, it comes with canopy, but it was this guy for a sloped ceiling. Can't really do much with that, but it's there. Yeah, it's turning off on low. Poor girl's been in storage a while, apparently, is what I've heard. She seems to be in pretty good condition. The blades are actually okay. Nerves are okay. She was missing one blade arm screw. One screw that goes to the rotor. I replaced it with one I had as extra. This should be the low speed. She's still freeing up, so she seems like she's faster than me because she has had oil forever now. The oil in her, she's going faster and faster. So that's low speed. Medium. This is a medium speed. Very nice. Medium. Already moving good air. Drag it up. As you see, moves there like a nothing. Very fast under like usual. A little closer to the camera. She's a little hummy. She did have an isolation ring on her. I took it off her. This goes so stupid. And that one, the rubber is falling to pieces. The ornate plate's in good condition. This one might go on eBay for a local sale only, or local pickup. Just because I'm curious to see what I get for it. As a local pickup only. So we'll keep an eye on it. Let me go ahead and... There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin down. Sorry about the lower camera angle. I had to ship some boxes out, so getting the boxes are finally being shipped out. But I lost my little table I had over here. Spin down probably gonna be pretty fast. Once again, fan sat in storage for who knows how long. The thing is, the people who got rid of this fan, they said they couldn't install it anywhere. They could have installed it plenty of places. They just didn't want to deal with it, I guess. She works fine. The 3-speed surprised me. I didn't think 83s were 3-speed, but I could be wrong. I just might not remember. It's been a while. I've had a bunch of newer stuff recently. Oh, there, that's very stiff spin down. So I'm gonna let her run on high. Actually, I'll give you guys the honor of just seeing her go straight to high. And then I'll cut the video. I got 2 more fans on me testing today after this original. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching.